Well, you said you wanted a strong cable. Well, here you go. We got you the strongest cable available. And not only that, it is the fastest and 4-in-1 that you can use to charge any device that you have. 240 watts of fast charging means that it charges up at maximum speed at all times. And the dual connectors do have USB, Lightning, and 2 additional Type-Cs, making it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy and the cable with liquid silicone, making it insanely durable. And it does come in 2 colors, 2 sizes, and an additional gift from MagicJohn, its own carry bag. So if you like this product, you can click the yellow card and purchase yours now.